Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. I decided to do this Mother's Day cake, the rainbow cake, because rainbow signifies positivity. I lost my mom when I was 11 years old, and every Mother's Day, I think of her like I wish she was here. So I just decided to make this cake to thank all the mothers we have out there, because growing up I had a lot of mothers. My Seba really took care of me so wonderfully, and I'm grateful to God for her. So this cake is for you mothers, strong women. You are so beautiful, and I just want to wish you happy Mother's Day. Keep being who you are. We love you. So family, let me show you how I actually came up with this cake. Add 2 cups of butter into a mixing bowl. Always make sure it's at room temperature. And equally 3 cups of granulated sugar, and mix until well blended. Equally, we need 4 eggs. Make sure you add 1 at a time until fully incorporated into the butter and the sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and equally 1 spoon of lemon zest. Put your mixture aside, and in another bowl put in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and equally 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add a cup of buttermilk and mix until having a dropping consistency. Make sure you set your oven at 350 degrees while the batter is getting ready. And equally, before I started baking, I had to prepare my baking tins. I actually made 7 baking tins all together, representing the 7 colors of the rainbow. Now prepare 7 different bowls into which you're going to separate the mixture, so we could have 7 different cakes. These bowls are the same bowls we're going to put in the coloring to make sure our cakes come out perfect. I'm beginning with the blue color, so I'm going to mix it until I get the exact color I need. Equally, I'm going to do this for all the other cake mixtures. I'm going to do the red and all the other rainbow colors. So just follow me as we do it. I actually blended the red and the yellow color together to give me the orange color. I actually added blue and violet to be able to come out with indigo. Let your cakes bake for about 30 minutes. Into another bowl, add 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cup of butter at room temperature and mix. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream or milk and equally 2.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract and half teaspoon salt. So our cakes are ready. Right now we're going to use a heart-shaped cutter and cut all the middle of our 7 cakes so that we'll be able to add some sprinkles in the middle and equally put on some frosting on each layer of the cake. We have mounted all our cakes, so we're going to go ahead and put some frosting and cover the cake. Let's go ahead and use that scraper to give our cake some smoothness. Wow, family, our cake turned out so beautiful. Just as beautiful as our lovely mothers out there. We wish you happy Mother's Day. Know you are a blessing to us, and we are so happy to have you in our lives. Enjoy your day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments below, and share. See you next week. Take care. God bless you.